So we're not driving the green Civic today. We're driving the SL 190. Wow. Oh, really? I can see a lot of similarities, like since this is a SL, then the latest variants of the SL is the SLS. And keep it in the family. Yeah, the shape like looks very similar. Yeah, yes please. So 4-cylinder petrol.
Yep. Dual side of carburetor. Floor open it up and the manual vacuum drop.
Okay. So what's that more power basically to put your foot down flat?
You've got economy and you've got performance.
Okay. Wow. Okay. So this car was made when?
Germany 1955.
1955, Germany. And as you can see, it is a convertible. Wow. So if you were to buy a car like this, now how much would you pay for it? Like 2.3 mil. Featuring, what's that like?
Because it's crosswise tires and it's
Oh.
now what I can do is one Saturday I think
Apparently I'm still gonna help Uncle Trevor work on classic cars. So thank you for watching. This is the SL 190. Thank you Uncle Trevor for taking us for a drive, and hopefully we can do a full feature on this car sometime in the future. So see you then.